Pet care. You can wash them. Look. You can take this guy over there and wash him. Take him over there. Wash him. There's a shampoo bowl over there. Let's go take him shower. There you go. Yeah, let's give him a bath. Yeah. Of course, that is found a snake out of all the pets. Good job. Okay, after you're done, we can put him back in the cage.
Let's go.
Let's put him back in the cage. Over there. Take him to the cage. Come. He's big, huh? Let's put him in the cage over here.
Too big.
Put him over here.
It's too big.
Oh, this guy is beautiful.
I am a dog.
That's
I am a dog.